important processes involved to make a fabric from the fiber in case of wool. Now, as you all know, wool is an animal fiber which is obtained from the sheep, goat, llama, alpaca. So all these are animals that from which the fleece is obtained to get the wool fiber. Now the certain steps that need to be followed to carry out the final process of the fabric from which the different types of wool sweaters or shorts etc. can be made. So the first step involved in the processing of the wool fiber is the process of shearing. Shearing actually means the removal of the fleece from all these animals. Now when you are removing the fleece from these animals, a thin layer of skin is also removed. So basically we are doing the shaving of all these animals. The process of shearing is quite similar to the process used by barbers. So we can say a thin layer is removed, thin layer of skin is also removed with the fleece. Now when these hairs are removed, they are very dirty. So we can say that shearing refers to the removal of the fleece from these animals. So now when we are doing the shearing of these animals, proper care should be taken while performing the shaving operation. So when we are doing the shaving operation done by shepherds, so basically it is done in the beginning of the summer season, because when it is in the starting of the summer season, the sheep or the goat have enough time to regain the new type of hair. So when they have the new layer of hair, which is actually very helpful for them in the winters, because the wool fibers help to trap the heat or the air from the body, so that these animals feel quite warm in the cold climate. So basically shearing is done by the shepherds in the beginning of the summer season, and it refers to the removal of the fleece from all these animals, which were sheep, goat, llama and alpaca. The next step involved after shearing is the scoring. Basically, as I have said, these fleece or the hair of these animals is very dirty. They have dust particles, they have grease, etc. So all these substances need to be removed because we need to get the best quality wool. Now when these substances are removed from the fleece, it is the hair which is removed is mixed with soap and water, and they are cleaned thoroughly so that we get the best quality hair. So the process of cleaning the shaved hair or the sheared hair from the animals with the help of soap and water is known as scoring. So when the scoring is done, now the fibers are very clean. Now we can do the sorting. Basically, sorting refers to separating the different types of fibers. They can be separated on the basis of color or texture or on the basis of quality. On the basis of color, they can be either white, black or brown. Or on the basis of quality, they can be either coarse or they can be fine. So sorting refers to separating different types of fibers on the category of either on the category of colors or on the category of quality, because different types of categories cannot be mixed together to make a new type of wool. We can always mix different coarse type of wool, or we can mix different black type of wool to get the original fiber. So basically in the sorting process, different categories are used and we separate the wool fiber which we have obtained in the process of scoring, which was actually the cleaned fiber. So now when we have done the sorting process, different types of wool fibers are now separated. We can perform the operation, or we can do the process of picking of burrs. Burrs are actually fluffy, soft type of substances which is obtained from which we found on the woolen fibers. You can actually see the burrs on your sweaters or on your cardigans also. So basically, burrs have to be removed from the woolen fibers because ultimately they will not make the wool fibers look nice. So we have to remove these burrs, and these fluffy material are known as burrs. It can be done with the help of a machine or it can be done with the help of a hand. So these were the four processes, the four initial processes. First was shearing, removal of the fleece. The other was scoring, cleaning the sheared hair with the help of soap and water. The next was categorizing or sorting of different types of hair on the basis of color or quality. The next was picking of burrs. Now when these burrs have been removed and we have got the new or the final fiber, we can do the process of dyeing. Now in this process of dyeing, different types of dyes, or we can say different types of colors, are added to the fiber to give it a new look. So that is why we can see that it is the process of coloration or the coloring of the dye. The original colors of the wool are either white, black or brown, but we can give different new types of colors to the wool. Now when the colors have been added, and after the adding of the colors, they are left in the open to get dry. Now when the colors are given and the wool fibers have been dried properly, the last step is involved, that is straightening. In the process of straightening, or we can say in the process of combing, different types of fibers are mixed together. Different types of fibers are mixed together to form a yarn, and from this yarn they are woven together to form the fabric. So this is how you can get the final fabric from which different types of clothing material can be cut out. So we can see that all these 6 steps were involved to form the final fabric in case of wool. The first was the shearing, removal of the fleece from the animals. Then was scoring, cleaning the fleece which we have obtained from these animals with the help of a mixture of soap and water. Then was sorting, separating them into 2 categories. And after you have done the separation, you can do the picking of the burrs on those fibers. Burrs refer to the fluffy material which is obtained on those fibers. Now when you have picked the burrs, now it is ready for the dyeing process. That means you can add the colors to the wool in any of the color you want. Now when you have added the color, they are left in the open to dry in the sun. Now when they have been dried in the sun, you can do the process of straightening or combing, in which the different fibers are mixed together to make a yarn, and from yarn you can make the fabric, and from this fabric you can make numerous types of clothing material. So this was the complete step to make a fabric from a fiber from the fleece in case of wool.